Good morning, children. I welcome you all to today's session of maths. We are on to the chapter capacity. Now, in class 4th, we had learned milliliter and liter, right? Milliliter and liter are basically the units of capacity as units of measuring capacity. Now, we shall learn more units of measuring capacity. So, before we go ahead, let us recall what we had learned in class 4. This is a recall of that. Convert 2 liter 123 milliliter into milliliters. So we all know that 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. So firstly let us convert 2 liter into milliliter. So we get 2L is equal to 2 into 1000. This is equal to 2000 ml milliliter. To this we now add 123. We get 2123 ml. Right, this is how we convert. Right, we convert the larger digit into smaller numbers and then we simply do addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, whatever has been asked in the question. Right, so now let us move ahead. More units of capacity, and the basic and fundamental unit of capacity is in liters. So 1 liter is 1000 ml. 10 ml was 1 centiliter. 10 centiliters is equal to 1 deciliter. 10 deciliters 1 liter. 10 liters is equal to 1 decaliter, 10 decaliter 1 hectoliter, 10 hectoliter is equal to 1 kiloliter. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. Right? Okay. Now see children, here there are some fill in the blanks which are needed to be filled. Like 2,325 ml. We have to convert it into centiliter. We all know 10 ml is equal to 1 centiliter. So what will we doing here? We will simply divide 2325 ml by 10. See, to get 232.5 cl. Now let us come to this exercise. 332 centiliter needs to be converted into deciliter. We all know 10 centiliter is equal to 1 deciliter. So what we will be doing, we will be straight away dividing 332 by 10. So we will be getting 33.2 dl, right? Obviously deciliter. So this digit needs to be fill in the blank, and the moment these conversions are well versed with you, you are very well clear about them, then things become very easy in this chapter. Now adding capacity, it is we have already done. We need to convert the larger unit into the smaller units which are similar between the two numbers, and then we can add, as you can see here. As both are in the same unit form, liter and liter, so there was no need of converting them. Simple addition has been done. Right. Next is in 12.2. Right, see, same thing, addition. Now in subtraction also you can see here that it's basically how you write the two numbers. We need to write them exactly under each. Now subtraction is needed because sometimes you know that the capacity is of two different containers and we are interested in knowing the difference of their capacities. To find the difference of what we do is we subtract. Right? So things after subtracting you will get the answer. Right? Okay. Now see here in this, let us try to do one question. Let us try to do the first one. 5242 from 8364 ml. So we will be writing 8364 on the top, and beneath it we will be writing 524 and 2, and then minus, we will subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, 8 minus 5 is 3 with a comma. So 3122 is the answer in ml. Now multiplying capacity. In this, sometimes we know the capacity of a bottle, cup, etc., and we wish to find out the total capacity of a known number of items. So what we do is we just multiply 6.426 kiloliter by 15. So when we multiply, we will get 96.390 kiloliter. Now this 0 at the end is generally not written, so the answer will be 96.39, right? See here, very aptly it has been written 96.39. Now here there is a set of questions. You just need to multiply the numbers and tell the answer. Now dividing capacity by number, it is just the opposite reversal of multiplying, right? But everything is done just as we used to do the normal division, right? You can see here 18 is outside, inside the bracket is 231.678, and division is being done here, right? There are some questions. Let us see the one. Okay, it is 11 is outside, divided by 880. So we all know 11 8 is 88, and we put across. This 0 cannot be divided, so we put a 0 at the top. Okay, now we come to the word problems. Basically word problems are just the expression of normal numerical problems by adding certain words, by displaying it in a real life situation, numbers in a real life situation, right? In this we have to do the same addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of capacities as instructed in the question, right? As instructed in the question, we need to do them, right? Just see here in this one, question number 7, rather question number, let us take 8. A can holds 925 liter of paint. A drum can hold 15 such cans. Now 15 such cans. So what is the capacity of this drum? Single can 925 ml, and there are 15 such, so we will multiply it by 15 to get 13875. Here see ml, right? So this is how these word problems are basically solved. There are some word problems given here also. Just go through them and you will find them very simple. Try to understand what actually needs to be done. Now next is estimating capacity. Now here basically we need to do approximation. We need to round off things. So 46.72 to the nearest liter. Right? Nearest liter does not contains decimal part. So we have to remove the decimal part. So we'll write here 46.72. We need to omit out this, and this part is above 50. So simply what we can do is we can add 1 to this part which is just before the decimal to get 47 liters, right? And this is how approximation is done. Okay, a few questions on them. An addition, subtraction, you need to firstly convert the number into an approximate number and then do plus minus sign, whatever is indicated. So I stop here. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did in making it, and until we meet again, it's a goodbye.